Your air conditioner is lying to you. It's running all day. Your power bill is exploding, and your house is still hot. There's a reason for that, and it's not the reason you think. Today I'm showing you 25 genius hacks that make your home feel 15 degrees cooler. No new AC unit, no electrician, just simple tricks people forgot about. Stick around for the big one at number 1. It's the one HVAC companies really don't want spreading around. Let's be honest about summer. The sun hits your roof by 9 a.m. By noon, your living room feels like an oven. Your AC kicks on and never really stops. That's when the bill shows up. $200, $300. Some of you are paying more than your car payment just to breathe cool air. And here's the painful part. Half of that cold air is leaking right back outside. You're literally paying to cool the neighborhood. Feels bad, right? It should, because it's completely avoidable. Here's something interesting. Amish homes don't have central air, no electricity for AC at all, yet in the middle of summer their homes stay noticeably cooler than ours. How? They never stopped using old world cooling tricks. Thick curtains at the right time of day, cross breeze window angles, dark surfaces covered, light surfaces exposed, basement air pulled upward. These aren't magic, they're physics. And somewhere along the way, modern homes forgot them. We traded smart design for a plug-in box. Today, we're bringing that old knowledge back. So let's start with the hack everyone asks me about. I call it the $2 cold trap. It's a simple trick, using a damp sheet and airflow. You can drop a room's feel by up to 10 degrees in under 20 minutes. No kidding. This is basically a homemade swamp cooler. People paid hundreds for machines that do exactly this. You can build the effect with stuff already in your house. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how in a minute. Here's the science, and I promise it's simple. Heat moves toward cold. Always. When water evaporates, it pulls heat out of the air around it. That's called evaporative cooling. It's the same reason you feel cold stepping out of a pool. Big AC companies use compressors and refrigerant to do something similar, but evaporation does a chunk of that work for free. Add a moving fan, and you speed up evaporation even more. Combine airflow, shade, and evaporation, and your room genuinely feels cooler. Not kind of, actually cooler. Your skin can feel a 10 to 15 degree difference just from airflow and evaporation alone. Now, here's the part that annoys me. HVAC companies aren't exactly rushing to tell you this. Why would they? Every degree you cool for free is a degree they don't get paid for. A busy AC means recurring bills. Recurring bills mean recurring profit. There's no incentive for a billion-dollar industry to teach you these free tricks. That doesn't mean AC is useless. It means you don't need to lean on it as hard as you think. Once you combine these hacks, your AC barely has to work. That's money staying in your pocket. Let's talk about what you actually need. Almost everything here is under $2, or already in your home. A regular bedsheet or thin towel, a box fan or any fan you own, a shallow tray or bowl of water, aluminum foil, optional for window reflection, painter's tape, a few dollars, dark curtains or blackout fabric if you have them. A spray bottle, optional but helpful. That's it. No tools, no skills. Just 15 minutes of setup. All right, let's build the $2 cold trap. Step 1, soak your sheet or towel in cold water. Wring it out so it's damp, not dripping. Step 2, hang it in front of your fan, not directly touching the blades. A curtain rod, chair back, or clothes hanger works fine. Step 3, turn the fan on medium speed, pointing into the room. Step 4, place a shallow bowl of water just behind the fan. The fan pulls air through the damp fabric. That air cools as it passes through. Within minutes, you'll feel the difference. This works best in low humidity rooms. If your area is very humid, use it near an open window for airflow exchange. Next, let's stop heat before it enters. Step 1, identify which windows get direct sun in the morning and afternoon. Step 2, close blackout curtains on those windows before the sun hits. Step 3, if you don't have blackout curtains, tape foil, shiny side out, onto the glass. This reflects sunlight before it turns into heat inside your home. It looks silly. It works incredibly well. Some people see a 5 to 8 degree drop from this step alone. Now let's move air the smart way. Step 1, open a window on the cooler, shaded side of your house. Step 2, open a window on the opposite, warmer side. Step 3, place one fan blowing in on the cool side. Step 4, place another fan blowing out on the warm side. This creates a real cross breeze, pulling hot air out and pulling cool air in. Most people only open windows. They never think about airflow direction. Direction is everything. Quick one, most people get wrong. Step 1, look at your ceiling fan. Step 2, check the switch on the base. Step 3, in summer, the blades should spin counterclockwise. This pushes air straight down, creating a wind chill effect on your skin. Most homes have this flipped the wrong way all year. That one switch flip can make a room feel several degrees cooler instantly. Timing matters more than people realize. Step 1, Open windows at night when outside air is cooler than inside air. Step 2, run fans facing outward to push hot indoor air out. Step 3, close everything up tight by early morning before the sun rises. Step 4, keep it sealed and shaded all day. You're trapping the cool night air inside like a thermos. This single habit change can lower daytime indoor temps significantly for zero cost. A few more quick wins, because 25 hacks means we go fast now. Swap heavy blankets for light cotton sheets on beds. Turn off unused lights. They generate more heat than you think. Avoid using the oven during peak heat hours. Use a stovetop or outdoor grill instead. Unplug electronics not in use. They release quiet heat even when off. Add a houseplant near windows. They naturally cool through transpiration. Place a bowl of ice in front of a fan for an instant blast of cold air. Wear light, breathable fabrics indoors. It changes how hot you feel by several degrees. Use cotton bed sheets instead of synthetic ones. They breathe better at night. Close doors to unused rooms so your fans and AC focus on where you actually are. Weather strip your doors. Gaps let hot air sneak in all day long. Use a damp cloth on your wrists and neck. Pulse points cool your whole body fast. Cook outside when you can. It keeps heat out of your kitchen entirely. Add outdoor shade like an umbrella or awning over sun-facing windows. Freeze plastic water bottles and set them in front of a fan overnight. Take lukewarm showers instead of hot ones before bed. It helps your body cool down faster. So what can you actually expect? Most people notice a difference within the first hour. The cold trap hack alone can make a room feel 8 to 10 degrees cooler. Blocking sun through windows adds another 5 to 8 degrees of relief. Cross breeze setups can drop stuffy rooms almost instantly. Combine 3 or 4 of these together, and that's where the real 15 degrees cooler feeling comes from. It's not one single miracle trick. It's layering simple wins that stack on top of each other. Give it a full day to really notice the change in your electric bill too. Many people report their AC running noticeably less within the first week. Now let's be honest, because I always am with you. These hacks reduce how hard your AC has to work. They do not fully replace air conditioning in extreme heat waves. If you're in dangerously high temperatures, please still use AC or find a cool public space. Also, be careful with foil on windows. It can be a fire hazard if it touches hot bulbs or wiring. Keep fans away from water bowls where cords could get wet. And if you have breathing issues, always keep proper ventilation, not just sealed up rooms. These tricks are powerful. Use them smart. If this saved you even one hot, miserable afternoon, do me a favor. Hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you want more $2 fixes for real problems. And comment below which hack you're trying first. I read every single comment. I might even feature your results in a future video. Okay, one bonus tip before you go. Put a small fan facing your feet at night, not your face. Sounds weird, but it cools your whole body faster because of how blood circulates. Try it tonight. And speaking of things companies don't want you to know, my next video reveals the $2 trick that keeps bugs out of your home all summer without a single spray can. It's honestly wild how simple it is. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool out there.